Hey guys, Rapid Variable Traders here. It is July 2nd, first trading day of July, and just going to quickly go over a trade I did in the room on IQ. And sometimes it's just a little bit of luck always. You're watching the right stock at the right time. I did have my eye on IQ. It's always sort of in my permanent watch list. And, pre-market it was holding this sort of 3110 range. And I just watched it at the market open a little bit, and quite a lot of volatility up and down. Just was watching, and then it kind of hung along here, and then it started to sell off, and I kind of thought, okay, maybe it's going to be a short if it breaks the 31, sort of 10 level. But then it started to snap back, and then I thought, okay, maybe it's going to be a long. I had in the back of my mind that MU and SQ, they gapped down in the morning, but they came on strong right away, opening range breakups. And I kind of thought, IQ's always, it's been a strong stock, and that's I thought maybe it was going to start to play a little catch up on the long side. So when it started to go through VWAP, I took the entry, and I was looking at 3180-ish as my initial target to get out, and then I was hoping for 32 as a round number. That was kind of a reach. I thought that was kind of a reach because there seemed to be a level here that it might have some resistance at, but it really just punched through there. So got lucky, I think. I didn't really expect a move like this, and obviously happy with the trade. But that's why I entered it. It held this level. It kind of came down, did a bottom. You could call that a double bottom, I guess, and took off from there. So that was my trade, and did a couple others in the room, and stayed away from Baba. Andrew seemed to be hung up on that one today, but and I think he was in and out of it a number of times. So we'll see what the rest of the week brings. Wednesday's a holiday. Markets will be closed. Tuesday, I think, is a half day of trading, or it closes at 1. So lighter volumes and maybe more volatility. We'll see what happens. We'll see you in the room tomorrow, everybody. Have a great rest of the day. Enjoy your Monday. Bye for now.